Hi, this is Harvey Bunda from Concept Revolution, and this is Concept Art Video Tutorial Volume 1. This is intended for the beginner's level. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a basic character from sketch to the concept idea. This is recorded on a live demo, narrated on real time. This also includes 7 chapters of real-time painting. This will range from idea to concept art with complete PSD steps. This will also include the game art brush pack, concept art brush pack, and the character reference pack. Again, this is Harvey Bunda, Creative Director of Concept Revolution, saying, keep on painting, keep on inspiring.